She don't like cheesecake.
Dad, you got it.
That is not cool.
Hey man, he's gotta eat too. Too bad I didn't have you around when I was little and I had to eat my peas or whatever they made me eat.
You didn't eat peas.
I didn't eat, I don't like any green things. I like green beans, but I don't like peas, broccoli, asparagus, cabbage,
lettuce.
I like lettuce. I think that pill just got to me for a minute.
Okay, I gotta go do baby over here.
Bye. I didn't want you to film me anyway.
What? What? What are you doing, Jaden? Tell me. What? What? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? What else? What else? Yes, I see your tongue. I do see it. It's a pretty one. I do see it. Yes, I do. I see it. What? 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 Let me see your tongue again. Let me see. Let me see. Show me. Show me. Let me see it. Let me see it. There it is. There it is. There is the tongue. Yes, I see it. Yeah. What else? What else? Tell me. Tell me.
Mom,
tell
get
me.
your phone, Mother.
I'm talking to the baby.
Well, that's your girlfriend, so go get your phone.
Tell me.
Pictures of you and your fam turned out good. Did you see it?
What? What?
Yeah. And then let it come out. And then you see the table?
Damon, hi.
I see it. I see the tongue. Yes, I do.
You're right there.
Oh, what? More? You can tell me more. Are you gonna tell me more? Yes, tell me. Whoa, I know. You're so excited. Look at that little tongue. I just see it going la 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 la. Go la 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 la. Tell Daddy, hi Daddy. Say hi Daddy. I'm talking to Grandma. Huh? What? What? Tell me. Tell me. Uh-oh, you're getting the hiccups? You got the hiccups?
Uh-oh.
Oh, no. Uh-oh.
Hello? I can print those out if you want me to. No, I was talking to the baby. My mom was filming.
Trade in. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart.
Smiling, and my mom was filming it.
Hi. He's looking right at the camera. Yep, he's got hiccups.
Just don't want him to headbutt me.
Just now? Why just now?
You want to burp him, Alex?
So how many do you have now? Your grandma gets around great. How old is she?
She's gonna be turning 93.
Pretty baby. Yes, you talk to Grandma. Say hi.
She doesn't seem that she talks normally, you know.
Pretty
You
baby.
see my grandma, she's...
Pretty baby.
Put your arms out, remember?
Grandma Carmen's 80.
Put yourself up.
She'll be 88.
You know how.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I didn't want to do that.
Well, also your grandma probably doesn't have like problems with health like
Look at
diabetes.
you.
She's good.
Okay, yeah.
Well, she used to walk a lot when she was younger. When she was getting older, I should say.
Okay, I'm going to